guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got these beautiful ombre butterfly locks. Guys, I'm being so honest with you right now when I tell you that this is the most natural I've felt. Natural is the word. Since I've been installing butterfly locks, like this legit looks like real locks. And don't be biased, comment down below if you agree with me. Like, I think it's mostly because of the color and how the locks were made. That's why it's looking so natural. But trust me, I feel like one rasta. I feel like I've been growing these locks, but not lie to you, honestly. So guys, I'll be showing you a new method today. One, because I was lazy, and two, because of the fact that the method that I wanted to do wasn't gonna work, so I had to resort to something else. I've never done my hair like this before, and you could try it out and let me know what you think. All the information on this hair will be done in the description box, so you can feel free to check it out.
Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. So today we'll be working with the company Nayoo Hair. They actually sent me these butterfly locks for a review, and I'm going to be giving you some more details on the hair in just a bit. Now for the install, I'm sectioning off my hair. I'm going to cornrow the front and the back, but the front is going to be much smaller than the back. The back is just going to be in one. My intention for this hairstyle was to do individual crochet, but my hair was too thick to go through the lock itself, so I had to resort to this. The only reason I'm actually putting cornrows at the front of my hair is because of the fact that I wanted to have a more realistic look. I don't recommend doing the cornrow too small at the front, because at the end of the day you do want it to match the lock itself. Even though it's not individual crochet, you still want it to have certain sizing where it's going in line with the lock itself. So these locks are considered to be medium, so I'm cornering my hair in medium size. I had 10 cornrows at the front of my head, but it could be bigger or smaller depending on the size of your head. The most important thing is that the cornrow should match the lock. Now for this part, I honestly wish I had done inside cornrow, because I wouldn't have had to worry about covering up the bulge, which I'm going to show you later on in the video. But if you can do inside cornrow, I would recommend that instead. Once that's done, I just use the needle and thread to sew up my ends. As mentioned before, we're working with Nayoo Hair, and I got 6 packs of hair in the bag. Each pack has 12 locks in it, and this is what the hair looks like once you take it out of the pack. I'm really loving this ombre natural color, but they have other colors for you to choose from as well if you wish to. Also, I got a crochet needle and some jewelry as well. There was this card in the bag as well, which does give you information on the hair and also how you can contact the company. Also, it gives you instructions on how you could actually install the locks. Like, this is really good, so you have no excuse not to install this hair. I really like the construction of how the hole for the crochet was made as well. It was made from a different texture. I'm not sure what it is, but the hole didn't come too tight, so I didn't have to do a lot of opening as it relates to the hole. Now for the installation of the locks. So usually you would have separate cornrows or separate plaits to work with. Now you only have one big cornrow down the middle. So all you need to do is just install the locks like 1 inch apart from each other randomly, and that's pretty much it. Once you get to the middle, you will need to focus a little bit more there and ensure that there's enough hair there to cover the cornrow in the middle. This is why I would recommend doing the inside cornrow, because you wouldn't need to worry about covering that up. Guys, you'll also notice that I'll be interchanging with using the needle and my fingers to pull the hair through. It doesn't matter, it's just really which one is feeling easier at the moment. And this is what I'm talking about as it relates to needing to cover the hair up, but we'll fix that in just a bit. Another thing is that you don't want to do the cornrows at the top too tightly, because it's going to be hard to pull the hair through. And also, I'm trying to avoid pushing the needle on my scalp or through where my scalp is. I'm pushing it through a section of the cornrow itself, so the lock itself is not touching my scalp, but it's going through the cornrow. And for the cornrows that are going to be covered up, you don't necessarily need to pack the hair. You could put it like an inch apart from each other, because one, you don't want to run out of hair, and two, you don't want the hair to be heavy on your head. Just to let you know as well, guys, that I did use all the hair that came in the pack. Finally, I'm done with installing the hair, and it took me about 30 minutes, maybe a little more. I also went ahead and just added a few pieces of jewelry because this hair don't need a lot because it's speaking for itself. Now I'm just going in with some edge control to lay my edges just in case the breeze decide to blow my locks up, even though I don't think that's possible, but I want to make sure that those baby hairs are tamed nonetheless. This is my final look, guys, and I'm really loving how this hair turned out. I mean, this ombre color is just glowing with my skin, and the hair has no smell. It's lightweight, so if it's looking heavy, it's not heavy. And you notice how we covered up that cornrow? Which cornrow? What am I even talking about? There's no cornrow there. This hair is on fire, guys. Please leave a comment down below to let me know what you think, and feel free to click the link in the description box to head on over to Amazon to get yours as well.
That is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.